So, good day everyone. Today will be presenting our project in linear algebra, which is 3D graphic presentation. So, yan, to be presented by me, Kevin Brett A. Rigacho, and John Ray Cabal. Next slide. So first, our object is tetrahedron. We will define first what is tetrahedron. So here, a tetrahedron is a 3D shape with 4 triangular faces and 4 vertices. So why we use this object? We're using a tetrahedron because it's simple yet visually interesting. It helps us clearly see how transformation affect a 3D object. The second, defining shape. We define the tetrahedron using 4 3D points and specify which vertices form each triangular face. We have here vertices. This defines the four vertices. Each row is a point which is x, y, z. These points are chosen so the tetrahedron is centered around the origin and symmetrically distributed. Sa faces naman, each face is a triangle formed by 3 vertex indices. For example, we have here example 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, and 2. Means the triangle formed by vertices 0, 1, and 2. So here are the explanations. The vertices are arranged to form a balanced tetrahedron. The faces are defined using index references, which make it easy to manipulate the shape. So, the third slide, math behind it. So, vertices, we have here vertices 0, vertices 1, vertices 2, vertices 3. These points are chosen so that they are not coplanar. They don't lie on the same plane. They form a regular tetrahedron, so equal edge lengths and symmetrical. Faces, each face is a triangle defined by 3 vertices. Yan, 3 vertices. For example, face 0, 1, 2 connects to vertices 0, vertices 1, and vertices 2. We use Matplotlib and NumPy. So why we choose this, no? NumPy is the backbone of the math in this project. Yan, parang dito namin kinode yung mga operations para gumana yung shape. It let us define points in 3D space and apply transformations using matrix operations. Fast, clean, and precise. Yun. Mas madali. We use Matplotlib naman for visual engine. It takes the transformed data and renders it as a 3D object so we can actually see the effects of our code. So, parang dito namin ni-run yung code na ginawa namin sa NumPy. For conclusion, NumPy handles the math, Matplotlib handles the visuals. So, together, they make 3D modeling in the Python. Ayan. So, here we go sa translation and scaling. So, what is translation? Translation shapes every vertex by adding a fixed vector. Sa pag-code naman, ito, if a vertex is at 1, 1, 1, and we translated by 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Yun. So, yung makikita naman natin dito, yung 1, 1, 1, tinranslate lang natin by 0.5. So, the new positions becomes, ayan, pinag-plus lang natin, no? 1 plus 0.5, 1 plus 0.5. So, ang equal is 1.5. Sa scaling naman, scaling stretches or shrinks the shape along each axis. Sa scaling, gumamit naman tayo ng, kung sa translation, gumamit tayo ng 0.5, The scaling naman, 1.5. So, it turns into 1.5 pa rin. Yan. So, for rotation naman, rotation of X, Y, and Z axis. X axis, X stays the same. Y and Z rotates at YZ plane. Sa Y axis naman, Y stays at the same, X and Z rotates at XZ plane. For Z axis, Z stays at the same, X and Y rotates at the X and Y plane. Para mas natin maintindihan, rotation is transformation that turns a shape around a fixed axis, which is yun nga X, Y, and Z by a specified angle without changing its size or position relative to the origin. So, I will pass the next demonstration to John Ray Cabal. So, he will be presented the demo of the created 3D object.
So, good day everyone. I'm here to present our project about 3D transformation, which is the tetrahedron. So, a tetrahedron is a 3D shape with four triangular faces. It's simple but perfect for showing transformation. So, today, I will gonna demo to you our object, which is the tetrahedron. Here are the code, and we're gonna run it to show the object. As you can see, the code is running. It shows the object, and in this object we apply the three transformation, which is the translation, scaling, and the rotation. So the first one is the translation. This moves the object from one place to another without changing its size or shape. As you can see, if I move the object, it will not change the size or shape. That's the example of translation. So next is the scaling, which resize the tetrahedron, make it bigger or smaller depending on the scale factor. So as you can see, the scaling that we implement are working. So this is the example of scaling and the transformation. And lastly, we have the rotation, where the tetrahedron spins around an axis, showing its 3D form more clearly. This transformation, translation, scaling, and rotation are very important in computer graphics and 3D modeling since they allow objects to move, grow, and turn realistically.